Hello, whether you call it shore power or a power pedestal, it's a lot easier to do this than the way I did in the Pacifica. So join us while my husband and I make a hole in my new van. With the door open, there's about this much space, so the thing would have to go like right here.
So that would be there.
There's a hole. Yep, there's light coming in from outside.
So it's going to be right there on the outside. And your cord can come right out the bottom of the plastic panel that goes over this hole.
Here goes nothing. This is a deburring tool, which gets the sharp edges and paint off. You need paint just to seal the edges that you just deburred, tape so that you don't get overspray, so paint won't just come in and visit. Looks like a star.
Doing the first shore power. We have shore power.
Because if the door couldn't have been opened without hitting the wire, it would have been bad. So, those are my power outlets. My phone, 2 USBs, and 5 regular powers. And this is grounded. Did a little bit of repainting on the doors as well. And I've got something in mind for this wall too. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, and see me next time when I'm going to be doing something kind of interesting. It's taking a little bit of planning, so it may be within a couple of weeks. And thanks for watching.